In this lesson, we will explore the characteristics of bearish candlesticks. Candlesticks are represented in two main colors, indicating the direction of price movement: green for bullish and red for bearish. A red candlestick signifies that the bears, or sellers, are in control, conveying a bearish market sentiment and suggesting dominance by sellers. Let's break down a red bearish candlestick. The open refers to the price at which an asset begins a specific time, typically at the start of a trading day. Now, let's examine the daily stock chart for Apple. This single bearish candle symbolizes one entire day, and the opening price for that day was between 170 and 171. The close refers to the price at which an asset ended a specific time, often at the end of a trading day. Let's look at the daily stock chart for Apple again. This bearish single candle symbolizes one entire day, and the closing price for that day was at $167. The high represents the pinnacle, the summit, the highest price reached by an asset during a specific time. Let's go back and look at the daily stock chart for Apple. This bearish single candle symbolizes one entire day, and the highest price reached for that day was above $171. The low signifies the floor, the lowest price reached by an asset during a specific time. Let's revisit daily stock chart for Apple. This bearish single candle symbolizes one entire day, and the lowest price reached for that day was $165. In a bearish candlestick, the closing price is lower than the opening price, and the real body is usually colored red.
You never know what kind of setup market will present to you. Your objective should be to find an opportunity where risk-reward ratio is best. Jamin Shah.